Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado. VW has brought back this iconic nameplate with a modern twist, and it's packed with both performance and premium appeal. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice about the new Corrado is its aggressive yet refined exterior. Volkswagen has preserved the coupe's sporty silhouette, but now it rides lower and wider with sharper body lines and aerodynamic enhancements. The front fascia is bold, with slim LED matrix headlights and a honeycomb grille that gives it a distinctly European performance look. Around back, the integrated light bar and active rear spoiler are nods to the original Corrado but with a futuristic upgrade. Standard 19-inch alloy wheels finish off the sporty stance, and optional 20-inch forged wheels are available for those seeking a more track-ready look. Under the hood, the 2026 Corrado doesn't disappoint. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder pushing out 290 horsepower, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG transmission. But for real enthusiasts, there's an R variant featuring a 3.0-liter V6 with 380 horsepower and VW's 4Motion all-wheel drive system. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds. Steering is tight and suspension tuning is right on point, offering a great balance between corner carving precision and daily comfort. It's a proper driver's car. Inside, the Corrado has taken a leap forward. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, with suede and leather touches throughout. The digital cockpit and 12.9-inch infotainment screen are both standard and feel intuitive, featuring the latest MIB4 software. You'll also find wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Despite being a coupe, rear seat space is decent for the class, and cargo capacity has been smartly optimized with a flat folding rear bench. As for price, the base 2026 Corrado starts around $38,000, while the R variant will set you back closer to $52,000. Considering the design, tech, and performance, it's competitively priced against rivals like the Toyota GR Supra and BMW 2 Series. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews every week here on NG Auto Review. Thanks for watching.